a show like a gun out of holster. Tell me what